guys, it's Taz and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a what I eat in a day quarantine edition. I am trying to eat a little bit healthier these days and I am doing some workouts, so that's really nice, but I definitely am just intuitive eating. Whenever I'm hungry, I decide that I want to eat. So yes, I thought I would show you guys everything that I eat in a day, and if you like these kinds of videos, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that bell for notifications and hit that subscribe button to be a part of the family. So we're gonna get started on making some breakfast, and I think I'm gonna have like an acai bowl today. So if you guys are interested in all the stuff that I eat in a day, make sure you let me know in the comments below, and let's get right into the video. So for breakfast, like I said, I'm gonna have an acai bowl, and this is a kiwi and mango by Revive Superfoods. If you guys want to use my link to purchase this, it'll be in the bio, and you save 60% off your first box. Basically, you just get a bunch of frozen smoothie bowls or smoothies, or you can even do little super bowls. And I just add a little bit of water and a little bit of almond milk, and then I pop this in the blender, and I'm ready to eat. And it actually turns out super good and super delicious. And yeah, I like to add a little bit of water but a little bit of milk to give it that creaminess. Obviously I don't know how to pour things. This is what it looks like, and then I just blend it all up, and there you go. Most delicious breakfast. It's easy to get down. You get all your vitamins and nutrients right in the morning, and honestly it was actually pretty delicious. It kind of gave me like a gelato vibe, and then I just loaded it up with some strawberries. You can use whatever fruit you have. You can use almonds, you can use chia seeds, which is what I'm doing right now. And then I went ahead and added some goji berries and some chocolate chips. Oh my god, literally delicious. Best combo ever. Now, some iced coffee. I love these iced coffees. Literally, they've been such a big replacement for me because I would always go to Tim's and get a black iced coffee. You can always add a little bit of milk, cream, sugar, whatever you want to this, but you can find these at Costco and they're delicious. Now I'm going to be making some spicy tuna sushi at home. So all you need is a little bit of tuna. I used canned tuna. You can definitely use some fresh tuna. That would actually be much better. And some sushi. And added some sriracha, a little bit of soy sauce, and a little bit of mayo. Mixed it all up, and then I popped it in the fridge to kind of cool it down. And then I started cooking my sushi rice. Let it boil, add a little vinegar, and put your lid on. And then any veggies that you want. I really wanted to add this avocado, but it wasn't ripe enough, and so sad. You put your shiny side of your nori down, or your seaweed, and then you can take any panko crumbs. I really wanted the Japanese style, but I realized I accidentally bought the Italian. I ended up using them anyways, but definitely Japanese style would be much better. Go ahead and take the sticky rice and lay it down. Leave an inch border all around the sides. I have another video on how I make my sushi, but you can use water to prevent it from sticking to your hands. And then I loaded it up with a little bit of the tuna, added some cucumbers, lettuce, carrots, and a little bit of green onions, and then I rolled it up freestyle using some plastic wrap. I kind of formed it into a shape because I don't have a sushi roller, but then I went ahead and added a little bit more tuna on the top just to finish it up. And then I just put the plastic wrap back on it and cut it into even pieces. Went ahead and garnished it with some green onions and a little bit of my panko just for a little crunch. You can also add some spicy mayo, some sriracha, some soy sauce. Love me some homemade sushi. So for dinner, I'm gonna be making sweet potato soft tacos. I'm really excited because I'm actually pretty hungry. It's really quick and easy. So if you have a sweet potato and some little corn tortillas, or literally any sort of tortillas or taco shells, here's the recipe. Let's get into it. Okay, so for this recipe, I have I would say this is medium to large. It's more on the large size sweet potato, and I'm making tacos for me and my brother, so it's not just for one person. I have some ginger, I have some cilantro, green onions, jalapenos if you want a little spice. I have these corn tortillas, delicious. And I have some salsa, and this one's peach mango, but it's pretty much done. So I think I'm gonna have to grab another one. I think we have more. And what you're gonna do is just cut this up into little bite-sized pieces, and we're gonna make it in a pan. So, and there you go. You don't have to cut it up in any specific sizes, but if you cut them up kind of the same, similar size, they'll cook evenly and at the same time. So I added some coconut oil, and then I went ahead and added some cumin and some mustard seeds. And I'm just gonna kind of let this all melt down. And then I'm gonna add in the sweet potatoes when this kind of starts smelling like some flavor. Added a little bit of ginger. Okay, let's throw in all our sweet potatoes. And I'm gonna kind of toss them and reduce the heat. Kind of get them all coated with a little bit of coconut oil. I added a little bit of jerk seasoning, a little bit of paprika, some French fry seasoning, which is really just salt, and a little bit of freshly cracked black pepper. I love black pepper. I add it to everything. So I added a lot. And then I added some paprika, a little bit of the French fry seasoning, and a little bit of the jerk seasoning, which is like that brown sort of seasoning, and it really just makes it a little bit sweet. It's really nice. And I added half of a lime. Ooh. Added some green onions and some jalapeno peppers. To sort of garnish, I had some cheese, a little bit of lettuce, a little bit of lime, a little bit of cilantro, a little bit of green onions, and I just added my sweet potatoes to my corn tortillas, added my lettuce, a little bit of cheese, added my cilantro, some green onions, some jalapenos, and then just squeezed some lime wedges right on top of there. Added my taco sauce. I had like 6 of these for dinner, and they're pretty small, so you can kind of eat as many as you want, and they're pretty healthy too. So for dessert, I'm gonna have some of this popcorn. This is from the company Eatable, and it's all like locally sourced, and they sent me a bunch of different flavors, and it's all infused with alcohol. This one is the whiskey on the pops. This one's like a caramel one, and so is this one right here. Oh, sorry. This one right here, the tequila one. And then we have the Poppin' Merlot PB&J. And my all-time favorite one is Pop the Champagne, because it has white chocolate and little like popping candies on it.